7-1 here on scene with 5-5, which is rocking a spare. However, unknown call. Oh, 55 was oh, I thought they were taking up, but no, they just letting a car leave. Yeah, I gotta talk to them tomorrow. I'm gonna talk to them tomorrow and get a picture. Because 55 rocking a spare, that's a long time. Oh, they both taking up. Oh. 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 Oh, they just get out of the way? Oh, no, they're leaving. Well, 7-1's taking up the scene here. Remains 55, rocking up a spare. Look at that beautiful baby. Look at that beautiful 2003. Look at that nice one. I don't know what is happening at this time. Oh, battalion. 2-6 battalion here arriving. Oh, never mind. They're taking up 2. Oh, so it's probably some like gas soldier or something. Probably, yep, a gas soldier. There they go. There's my boys. There's the guys going back. Well, battalion 2-6 ain't coming back. They're going back to Washington Avenue. 55 rocking a spare, departing the scene. Damn, I heard the door close from here. They slammed it pretty good. They must have slammed it pretty loud if I was able to hear it from here. There they go, taking up. Alright, that's it.